Good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're going to take a look again at the Super 73 S1. What we're actually going to look at in particular is this little crate that I have back here along with the standard seat. And what we're going to do is we're going to put on the elongated seat. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go. And just a little bit of housekeeping. If you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. So I've gotten a lot of questions about this crate here. This crate I got off of Amazon, which I'll leave in the link down below there. And it comes in a 3-pack and it's made by Clevermade. But first, to keep it from rattling around, it's basically just held on by some zip ties. But I use these little Velcro strips to keep it in place so that when it's folded up, it's nice and quiet, it doesn't click along, and it's nice and secure. There we go. So this here is the Super 73 elongated seat for the S1, and I know they're out of stock on a lot of things on their website. They're having some supply issues right now, guys, but be patient. I'm sure they'll restock at some point. But on today's video, we're gonna go ahead and remove this, move it back a little bit, and install the new elongated seat. So today is Friday, October 23rd. I was gonna say it's kind of funny, but it's not really that funny. But my new iPhone I was gonna film this on didn't arrive. So we're using the old Canon G7X to go ahead and film this here. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and snip off these zip ties to remove the plastic crate. And next, what we have to do is remove the 3 bolts that are holding the seat on here. And those are, looks like we need an Allen wrench for that. So there's one there, one on the other side, and kind of one right in the middle, right up in there. You can tip the bike upside down, but I think I'm just gonna do it as is here. The bike is a little heavy, so it's up to you if you want to tip it over or not. I'm just going to work with it as is. After you've taken off those 3 bolts with the Allen wrench, simply just lift it on up. And there it is. Be sure to save those bolts. Keep those there. Let's unwrap this. Oh. Okay, so there's 3 of those and one of these guys. And then there's the old ones. So see where the holes kind of line up here? You have those 2 that line up with the actual bike itself, the frame, and those 2 match up with this extended rack that actually comes standard on the new S1s. Not so much for the old ones. And then this bolt lines right up with that there. And that's where we're gonna bolt them on. Okay, and the next couple steps are very simple. All you're gonna do is just feed these bolts through the frame holes into where they bolt up right up in there. Of course, always leave them a little bit of slack in there first for a little bit of movement, and then when you get all the bolts in, of course, that's when you go ahead and cinch them all down afterwards. Let's continue on with this. You're gonna do all 5 of them here. Or, I mean, I'm gonna do all 5 of them here. There we go, and just take the Allen wrench there, and just go on in there, and start tightening them all down. So there we are, folks, mission complete. There it is. It was that easy. Well, if I didn't have to film it, of course, it would have taken me like 5 minutes, but, so yeah, check this out. This kind of, this texture reminds me of like the seats on a Lexus. Ooh, you're riding a Lexus. Okay, no, you're not. You're riding in a Super 73 S1, that's what you are. But see the difference in texture and also in size. Okay, so we'll match up the front there. And so you gain a few extra inches. I don't know, maybe if you wanted that little extra butt room, or maybe if you want to have a passenger go on there. But what we're going to do next is just strap down the crate here. And I know there's not a lot of room, but you know, I don't really carry a lot of stuff back here, but we'll test it out. If it doesn't really work out, it doesn't work out. But it's kind of cool having the crate back on there if I can, but I'm going to give it a try. So what do you think? Do you guys like these Super 73 videos that I'm doing here? If you do, leave a comment down below. Again, be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, we'll go and snip these off, but there is one thing that I found, one drawback for this elongated seat. If you're going to be adding a crate back here, you kind of lose a lot of your weight capacity. So before I was able to carry a case of Monster or Red Bull back here from the local Costco, but I don't think that's going to happen now. So you can carry something light in there if you like, but I suppose if I got a little creative, I can make like a board that extends out just for extra stability. It is a little wobbly, but it kind of serves the purpose. I don't know. I may or may not take that off. We'll see. One-handed operation. So yeah, what do you guys think? Leave it or take it off? So with that said, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at the Super 73 S1. Another look at the extended seat installation. Be sure to pop my water bottle back on there. Be sure to click the subscribe button, like it, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.